Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Okay, we are going to subtopic which is the method of undetermined coefficient. Okay, for this method, okay, we have three things to learn. Okay, three table. Okay, this one is for polynomial. Okay. So we go for this one. Okay, next we will learn on the exponent and then trigonometric function. Okay. Okay, we have a question. Okay, then it is in the second order. So this is the highest order. Okay, d squared y over dx squared. So ni maksudnya second order. Okay, for differential equation. And then it has function here. Okay, it has function here. Therefore, what we should do is we will use this formula since this is in polynomial. Okay. It also has the boundary condition. Okay. When y equals to 1, x equal to 0. When y prime equals to 2 and x equals to 0. Okay. So, first of all, we need to declare our characteristic equation. So, tengok balik dekat sini for this equation and make sure it equals to 0. Okay, like the first time we learn on the solution of homogeneous equation tu, kan dia equals to 0 kan. So make the first one equals to 0 and then we define we use the m variable. Okay, remember if it is d squared y over dx squared, I told you to substitute it with m squared. Kalau dy over dx, we substitute with m. Okay, kalau y sahaja, we substitute with 1. Okay, then we need to find the roots. Okay, dekat sini, okay, tekan je nanti calculator, then we get the value for the m. Okay, tekan calculator scientific tu. Okay, and the value is m equals to 1. Okay, back to the solution of homogeneous equation. Okay, this is the solution of homogeneous equation, the table 1 that I have teach you. Okay, so we have, kalau roots dia ada 2, okay, if the roots got two different values, okay, jadi dia in this form of equation. Okay, general solution dia in this form. If m dia is only one value, okay, so cuma ada satu je value dia, therefore we will use this equation. Okay, if the roots, okay, the roots, if the roots is in complex form, okay, inilah cara dia. Okay, remember alpha and beta is in this kind of form. Okay, don't vice versa. Okay, alpha is here, beta is here. Okay, so if we have two different values, if we have one value of m and if we have complex numbers. Okay, 3 ni jenis ni. Okay, kena tahulah. Kena tahu kat mana nak cari dan kena hafal, kena faham. Okay. Okay, after looking at the table, then we decide to use this one lah. Sebab m dia sama dengan 1. Okay, the only one value. So, kita guna yang ni lah. So, e dia e power of x sajalah. Sebab dia m dia 1 kan. Okay, then fx dia, okay, is 2x squared tolak 1. It is in the polynomial form with second degree. Okay, second degree lah sebab ni kuasa 2. So, apa yang kita ambil, kita tengok balik table tadi tu, yang saya bagi tadi tu. Okay, yp kita adalah x power of r. Kena adalah x power of r. And then, since that, dia kuasa 2. Therefore, dia dalam in this kind of form lah. Dia punya power, the highest order of the power of x is 2. So, dia akan bersusut lah. Okay? Dia akan decrease lah the power of x. Okay, yang ni jadi x kuasa 1 dan yang ni x kuasa kosong. X kuasa kosong tu sama dengan 1. Jadi, tak payahlah tulis X kuasa kosong. Sebab kita tahu X kuasa kosong tu 1. So 1 darab C dapatlah C kan. So tengok highest order dia. Highest order dia square. So dekat YP ni pun highest order dia pun square. Dan it will the highest order of X akan decrease lah. Okay. Macam itulah susunan dia. So ni YP. And then kita choose dulu R ni when R equals to 0. Okay, choose yang R yang paling senang dulu. Okay, R yang paling senang is 0. So this is our YP. Okay. And then we need to compare our YP with YC. Okay, YC kita yang sebelum ni. So this is our terms AX squared, BX, C. Okay, kita kena compare these terms sama tak dengan YC. Okay, see here, YC is in the terms of exponent X. But in YP, we don't have any terms in exponent X. Therefore, terms in YC does not similar with YP. Therefore, we can use our equation, this one, we can use it as our YP. Okay? Okay, since that we can use the YP, then we need to differentiate it for second time. After that, we got the value for YP, okay, YP prime, YP double prime. Then these all equations we will substitute into the original equation. Where this equation come from? From the question. Okay. Okay, see, this is the equation. Okay, kita kena masukkan YP prime, YP double prime, okay, dengan YP into this equation. Okay. So after that, we just make it in the order of polynomial. So the highest one X squared. Okay, kita kumpulkan lah. Okay, we collect and make it in the order. Okay, the first order is X squared dulu. And then X. And then X kuasa this whole thing, okay, X kuasa 0. X kuasa 0 tu 1. So no need to tulis lah darab dengan 1 kan. Semua orang faham. So now we equate the coefficient of X squared. So sini ada X squared, ada X. And then X kuasa kosong. Okay, we equate, okay, the left side with the right side. So for X squared, tengok X squared kita cuma ada coefficient dia cuma ada A saja. So tulislah A. Yang lain semua in terms of X, in terms of X kuasa 0. So belah kanan, okay, we have X squared. Okay. And then the coefficient is 2. So A equals to 2. Okay. Same goes to X. We take this equation, okay, for the left side, okay, and then equals to, since we don't have coefficient X here, therefore it will be equals to 0. Okay, so this one is X power of 0. So ambil this equation, then put here, and then equals to, look at the right side, so we have negative 1. So equals to negative 1. We solve this equation. We want to know what is A, what is B, what is C. Okay? Okay, after we solve it, okay, we got A equals to 2, B equals to 8, and then C equals to 11. All these values, then we will substitute into YP. Okay, YP. Okay, we substitute. And then we got this equation. Okay, so the general solution is Y equals to YC plus YP. Okay, YC kita apa tadi? So YC kita is this one. Kan? So write it back. Okay. Okay, this one is YC. And then what is our YP? YP is this one. So write it back here. So this is general solution for Y. Okay. Which Y is come from YC plus YP. So this is method undetermined coefficient. Okay.